Hello, it's me, Ananya Dutta, the youngest engineer in my WhatsApp team at CleverTap. As a fresher, I had joined CleverTap a year back and have been working as a full time employee since the month of July. As an intern, I was in the NOC production team for 6 months. Then I joined as a front end developer as a full time employee. The most exciting thing about CleverTap is the work environment and the team members. It's not only specific to my team members, but everyone in this company. They all are really very amazing. So, as a new joinee, they help me to learn a variety of things. The thing which I would never like to change is the work environment and the cooperativeness among the citizens. So when I had joined CleverTap in the starting, so I had no enhanced experience, like I am a fresher only from the college. So in the starting, I was in the NOC production team. They really helped me a lot to learn about Javas and all, each and every codes, everything. Then I came to the WhatsApp team. Even they also helped me in each and every portion, like how to do this, how to crack this code, how to search each and every portion. So it was a really amazing thing for me.